Swing in Seattle, Solo Jazz 1, week number 3. This week we worked on boogie steps. We had boogie back, which goes 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7. We also had boogie forward, which goes 5, 6, 7, boogie forward, 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 forward. We took a look at boogie drops, 5, 6, 7, touch, touch, down, and touch, touch, down, again, a touch, touch, down, and touch, touch, down. The last step that we looked at was Shorty George. Shorty George. Kicking out with your right foot, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Those are our boogie steps for week number 3. Thank you very much.